In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix microphone not working on Slack. If you've joined a huddle and people can't hear you, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you quickly confirm your settings and get your sound back on track. Start inside the huddle window. Look for the small caret or arrow next to the microphone icon. This is your device menu. Click it to open the audio controls specific to your current huddle. This menu is where Slack lets you choose which mic and speakers to use, so it's the fastest place to troubleshoot without leaving the conversation. Next, make sure audio and microphone are enabled. If the mic is muted or permissions are off in the huddle, nobody will hear you no matter which device you pick. Turn on the microphone here so Slack is allowed to capture your voice. You should see the mic icon change to indicate it's active. Once audio is enabled, you'll see a list of detected devices on your computer. Slack pulls in every input and output it finds. Built-in laptop mics, USB headsets, Bluetooth earbuds, and external speakers. This list can look similar, so take a moment to identify the exact device you're actually using right now. Now, select the device you want for both audio and microphone. For example, if you're wearing a USB headset, choose that headset for the microphone input and the same headset or your preferred speakers for audio output. Picking the wrong device is the most common reason people can't be heard, so be intentional here. After selecting, click Test Speaker to confirm you've chosen the correct output. You'll hear a brief tone. If you don't hear it, switch to a different speaker option from the same list and test again until the tone plays through the device you expect. This ensures you'll be able to hear others clearly during the huddle. For a deeper check, you can also open Preferences and select Run Test. This built-in test walks through audio, video, and screen sharing diagnostics. It's a quick way to confirm your microphone is capturing sound, your speakers are playing audio, and your camera and sharing are working before an important call. Let the test complete and follow any on-screen guidance Slack provides. And there you go. Once you've enabled your audio, chosen the correct devices, verified your speakers with the test, and optionally run the full diagnostic, your microphone and Slack huddles should be good to go. That's all.